Smiley Shark and the Great Big Hiccup by Ruth Galloway. Far away in the deep rolling ocean, the fish were all in a frenzy. Smiley Shark has disappeared. Woohoo, Smiley Shark, where are you? Called Angelfish. The friends searched in the swirling seaweed and around the colourful coral, but they couldn't find him anywhere. At last, Octopus spotted him, but poor Smiley Shark had lost his smile. What's wrong, Smiley Shark? Asked the starfish. I can't get rid of these annoying hiccups, Smiley Shark grumbled. I know what to do, cried Angelfish. When I have the hiccups, I swim as fast as I can. That always makes them go. Whee! With a swoosh and a whoosh, Smiley Shark and Angelfish whizzed off as fast as they could swim. But it didn't work. Oh, please, Starfish, can you help me? Asked Smiley Shark. Of course, smiled Starfish. When I have hiccups, I do cartwheels, and that always makes them go. Woo! With a swish and a swirl, they tumbled and twirled together across the sand. But that didn't work either. Up. Smiley Shark was feeling very dizzy and he still had the hiccups. I have an idea, said the octopus. He slowly reached out with his twisty, tiggly tentacles and tiggled Smiley Shark on the tummy. Smiley Shark wriggled and giggled and jumped and jiggled, but it didn't stop his hiccups. I know just what will work, cried Pufferfish. When I have hiccups, I hold my breath for as long as I can, and that always makes them go. They both took a big gulp of water and counted. 1, 2, 3. Hooray! My hiccups have gone, grinned Smiley Shark. Thank you so much, Puffer. Smiley Shark hiccups were back and they were worse than ever. He tummy jumped and bumped and span and twirled. Hiccup. Poor Smiley Shark was getting very grumpy and grumbly. I'll never get rid of these annoying hiccups, he wailed. We need a better plan, Starfish suggested. The friends huddled together and whispered. Then Angelfish said with a smile, why don't you swim to the back of the big coral cave? You'll definitely find the cure for hiccups there. Really? Cried Smiley Shark. Determined to try, he swam off, still hiccuping gently. Inside the cave, it was dark and rather lonely. Bravely, Smiley Shark waited. And waited. And waited. Boo! Ah! The scary surprise chased Smiley Shark's hiccups away. Hooray! He cheered. Now we can all play together. Thank you, everyone, said Pufferfish.